So you can use service objects in several ways. One of them is just to instantiate it, so make a constructor. You can give it the data you need, and then you use the instance. Other way is to create a class and have a class method on the service object class, well, on the service class. And another way is to use module, which is very similar to, the result is similar to what you would have in with the class method. But it's worth to understand that in the end, service objects are functions. They are mostly stateless. Stateless in the meaning that they shouldn't really mutate their own state. They just send messages, they call other functions. So you can easily implement it as a function as well. And that's something that is worth understanding. If you have several service objects in the same area, like it's all about making friends in your application, or creating an order and managing the order, then maybe you can have a facade above it, and the facade is just, a facade, so it still doesn't have a state yet, really, but it's an object, so you can pass the objects to the places where you use the service objects, and then you call methods on this facade. The advantage of this is, for example, in the Rails application context, you can replace the facade with an in-memory facade, in-memory service facade, and you can run your Rails application without your real service objects, but with the in-memory fake one, which gives you the nice isolation. You can test, the redirects, the rendering, and so on, without really triggering or calling your real business logic. So worth knowing.